Have you ever wished for a smartwatch that combines style, functionality, and affordability? Well, hold on tight, because the Amazfit BIP 5 ticks all those boxes and more. This watch sports everything, and when I say everything, I mean everything. But don't just take my word for it. Watch this video to the end to see for yourself. By the way, for the most updated price and more information, check the link in the description down below. So, with most budget gadgets, you'd expect a pretty generic, lackluster design, right? But amazingly, the new Amazfit BIP 5 bucks that trend. Even with its shockingly affordable $89.99 price tag, the BIP 5 manages to offer a sleek, visually appealing design that looks way more premium than it costs. Seriously. The BIP 5 looks like it's ready to strut its stuff on a designer runway. The lightweight build, vibrant color options, and quality materials all impress. Let's take an in-depth look at why the BIP 5's design totally exceeds expectations. Right out of the box, you can tell the BIP 5 doesn't look or feel like a cheap smartwatch. It is sturdy yet slim enough to slip into the trendiest of conversations. Oh, did I mention that it comes in not one, not two, but 3 different colors? And don't get me started on the silicone bands. They are detachable and also come in different colors, giving you different mixing and matching options. And can we take a moment to appreciate how feather light this thing is? At just 26 grams, you'd barely notice you're wearing it. It's like having a tiny companion on your wrist, whispering sweet nothings of time and fitness goals. I mean, who needs a personal trainer when you have the BIP 5 cheering you on? Weight aside, this masterpiece sports a 1.91-inch rectangular AMOLED touchscreen that is crisp, colorful, and very responsive. It's easy to swipe, tap, and navigate through the menus. The 320 by 380 pixel resolution makes everything sharp and clear. Text is also readable without any pixelation. In a surprising plot twist, the BIP 5 rocks an AMOLED display. Yup, can you believe it? That's usually the VIP of premium smartwatches, but here it is, partying on a budget. While the bezels around the screen are a bit thick, the actual viewable display utilizes the surface area well. And with 2.5D curved glass, the front panel has an elegant look. The Retina-grade anti-reflective coating also reduces glare in sunny conditions, so despite the very affordable price, the BIP 5 still manages to incorporate a bright, vivid AMOLED screen. With over 50 different watch face options available, you can customize the aesthetic to your liking. There are stylish, modern faces with fun colors and designs. You can also add useful stats like steps, heart rate, weather, battery level, and more. This level of personalization gives the BIP 5 a unique look, tailored just for you. Now, let's dive into the treasure trove of features that Amazfit has managed to cram into this budget-friendly wearable. They went all out in the health department. We're talking about continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 blood oxygen saturation readings, sleep tracking that even follows your dream's progress, stress monitoring because your watch now understands your boss gives you stress-induced nightmares, and nifty breathing exercises to remind you to take a breather from binge watching. But wait, there's more. The BIP 5 showcases its athleticism with over 120 sports modes. There's built-in GPS to track your every step, whether you're jogging in the park or sprinting to catch the ice cream truck. Oh, and did I mention you can play DJ with your wrist? Load up your favorite tunes and bop your head responsibly, while your wireless headphones do the heavy lifting. And for those who can't resist a poolside cannonball, don't worry. This watch is as water-resistant as a duck's backside, up to 1.5 meters deep. But the real magic happens when your wrist becomes your personal assistant. Calendar alerts? Check. Weather updates? Check. Annoying notifications from your phone? Check, and eye roll. It even moonlights as your musical puppeteer, complete with play, pause, and skip controls. And guess what? If you're feeling like a secret agent, you can remotely control your phone's camera with a flick of the wrist. Missing features? Sure, it might not be able to pay for your coffee and lacks voice assistance, but with a battery life longer than the average houseplant's attention span, you won't mind. Seriously, it could outlast a game of Monopoly. And when it finally needs charging, it charges up quicker than your last Netflix binge-watching session. This watch isn't just smart, it's practically the Einstein of wearables. Now, let's compare the Amazfit BIP 5 to some other popular smartwatches on the market. First up, we've got the Fitbit Versa series, strutting its stuff with a price tag that could make your wallet sweat more than a treadmill session. Sure, it's got more third-party apps than you can shake a fitness tracker at, and its activity tracking is so spot on it could probably count the calories in a sneeze. Oh, and don't forget the premium subscription goodies, because even your wrist deserves a VIP experience. Then there's the Apple Watch, coming in with a price that could buy you a decent chunk of the Amazon rainforest. It's like a luxury car of the tech world, with iPhone connectivity smoother than butter on a hot pancake and more apps than you'd ever know what to do with. It can detect if you've tripped over your own shoelaces and take an ECG as you fall. Talk about an overachiever in emergencies. And don't get me started on that build quality. It's practically wearing a tuxedo made of pixels. Truth be told, both the Fitbit and the Apple Watch have so much to offer, but from an overall value perspective, I'd go for the Amazfit BIP 5. Seriously, this masterpiece doesn't steal the spotlight, but still packs a punch. Long-lasting battery? Check. Display brighter than a supernova? Check. More sports modes than you can shake a dumbbell at, complete with GPS to track your fitness adventures? Double check. It's practically the budget-friendly legend of the smartwatch world. Sure, the BIP 5 might not know how to hail an Uber with a flick of its wrist, but for a fraction of the price, it's still the MVP of tracking your moves. So unless you're on a first-name basis with Siri, the BIP 5 is likely getting 80% of the smartwatch experience for a mere 20% of the cost. Now that's what I call a knockout deal. That said, if you're looking for a fully capable smartwatch on a budget, the Amazfit BIP 5 delivers fantastic value. The long battery life alone makes it stand out from everything else in this price range. Add in the bright, colorful display, GPS sports tracking, heart rate monitoring, SpO2 sensor, water resistance, and smart notifications, and you've got a very compelling package for only $89.99. I can easily recommend the BIP 5 for those wanting a fitness-focused smartwatch without spending too much. It's not perfect, with some lag in the interface and limited app support, but it nails all the essential features at a really affordable price point. So, that's my in-depth review of the new Amazfit BIP 5. For more information about the products mentioned, check the link in the description box below. While you're at it, let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartwatch reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.